Ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of securing all your application secrets like API keys, database credentials, and other sensitive data? Hashicorp Vault offers a robust solution. Think of it as a secure digital stronghold specifically designed to safeguard your secrets. In this tutorial, we'll explore the essentials of how you use Vault to access these protected resources. First, you'll need to set up Vault. This involves installing the software on your server and configuring all the relevant settings depending on your specific environment. This could mean defining storage locations and network settings in which your application resides. Once Vault is running, authenticating yourself or your services is the next key step. Vault supports various authentication methods, and your choice here depends on the level of security your application requires. If you want a more secure type of authentication, look into multi-factor authentication. Once you're successfully authenticated, you're not just given access, you'll also need to define and apply access policies. These policies control what secrets a user or service can actually access. This means only authorized services can retrieve the necessary API keys, database passwords, or any other protected credentials for their operation. Next is interacting with Vault to access your secrets. Vault stores secrets in a structured way, allowing you to retrieve them on demand. Your application accesses these secrets with the help of an agent, typically via an API. Because Vault holds all the sensitive configuration items, it's able to create these credentials and provide you with the most up-to-date version. From here, your configured configuration files update automatically with Vault in place. You eliminate the need to hard-code secrets directly into your application. After mastering these steps, your application will be able to access the secrets necessary to perform their operation. Securing your data has never been more streamlined.